Hello and welcome. We know online education in KVS has gone through a breakthrough by introducing the G Suite accounts for our schools. Today, let us explore the admin account facilities of our Vidyalaya. So let's begin. First, we need to go to any browser and type admin.google.com, or if we see here in Google Apps, what do we find here is that this particular app admin. तो दोनों वे से आप admin में लॉगिन कर सकते हैं, या तो admin.google.com और by using this app. आप admin का G Suite ID and password दीजिए. After that, we will reach to this page. From here, you can check कि आप admin logged in है कि नहीं. After that, after you are sure, we can get this page. अब इस page में we mainly need two of the options, users and organizational units. First, let us understand organizational units. We click here. Organizational units में click करने के बाद we reach to this particular page. यहाँ the Kendriya Vidyalaya regional office of any region will be the parent organization under the guidance of Honorable Deputy Commissioner. After that, all the Honorable Assistant Commissioners will be mentioned. And finally, जब we click on the arrow of the Assistant Commissioners link, we get to see all the names of the schools which belong to the guidance of those assistant commissioners. Now let us come to our Vidyalaya. Let me come to my Vidyalaya. If I click on any of these, what I find is that ये options सारे disabled है. But let me come to my school, and what do I find? ये options enabled है. Plus and ये. Okay. Now, if I click on here, what happens? We get to see Barakpur Air Force का students and teachers. Further students पे click करते हैं. We get to see all the classes. Class पे click करते हैं. We get to see all the sections. Similarly, teachers पे click करते हैं. We get to see the organizational units of the teachers. Right? Now, suppose I want to add any organization unit. Depend करेगा directly विद्यालय में या student में या class में. Where do I need to add the organizational unit? या teacher में. तो वहां के plus sign पे आप click कीजिए. Click मैंने ये किया. Okay. Now after that I have to give the name of organizational unit. Say it is ABC. I give a name. Okay. Or fine, this is the name. And let me, if you want, you can give a description here. Okay. And then after that you need to click on create. इससे एक organizational create हो जाएगा. Okay. From here, let me just increase the size a bit. Okay. After that, if I want to remove an organizational unit, suppose contractual teacher मुझे हटाने हैं, I'll come here. ये 3 dots. Edit हो सकता है, delete हो सकता है. अगर हम edit पे जाते हैं, so you can change the name and the description. Suppose teachers and update. वो update हो जाएगा. I'm cancelling this. And you want to delete? I click here, delete. So it will give a message. We want to delete something. It can't be deleted if it has child organizations. Contractual teachers खुद एक organization unit है, उसके under कोई organizational यूनिट नहीं है, यूजर भी अलॉटेड नहीं है, सो यू कैन डिलीट दिस. नेक्स्ट, let me again come to my Vidyalaya. Now, this will be shown after the page is refreshed that this particular organizational unit has been removed. Now, let us explore the other option, that is this sign, move organizational unit. So, suppose I go to students, suppose I go to class 12. Okay, I go to class 12. Here I have class 12. Okay, class 12 already students are there. Let me go to class 11. Class 11, and we have these two sections and the signs. This is the total scenario. Now, suppose I want that there should be bio section D should move here under humanities. Suppose, just for an example, so what do? I click on move organizational unit. Okay, I have to go to the path. OU path is very important. The organizational unit path is very important. I move here. After that, I move to students. Students में कहाँ पे जाना था? 11. 11 में कहाँ पे जाना था? Humanities section. So you can click here. Once you can click here, and if you continue, then what will happen? Bio section D will move here. So in this manner, we can move the organizational units. I'm right now cancelling this, so that is not moved. Now, that is about the plus creating, moving, editing and deleting of organizational units. Now, let us move back to the home page of admin console. Next, what do we find? The most important one, users. In users, we have so much options to explore. Let us explore them. Here, first and foremost, we are getting two option buttons. Users from all organizational unit means पूरे school के बच्चे and teachers के नाम यहाँ आ रहे हैं. Okay. And users from selected में you can click, you can search, again same path. This Assistant Commissioner 1, Kendriya Vidyalaya Barakpur Air Force. Suppose I want to see all the PGTs, teachers, and teachers में जाके PGT. So the names of all the PGTs will appear. ठीक है, इस तरह से हम selected organizational units के users को देख सकते हैं. Okay. Manage organizational unit पे अगर click करें, we will get back to the same page of organizational unit जो हमने अभी discuss किया. Okay. So right here, let me see one thing. हमने कुछ delete किया था. Contractual teachers, वो delete हुआ कि नहीं? Teachers, and it is deleted. See, I said if you refresh the page or go back and get in again the page, it will be, yeah, the effects will be shown. Okay. So next, this section is explored. Now let us explore this particular section. So I again move to users from all organizational units. Here, first is add a filter. Okay, add a filter. Click करते हैं. What is coming? First name, last name, email. So you can click on any of these filters and get the records as per the filter. Suppose आदित्य मुझे ढूंढना है. स्कूल में कितने आदित्य है? I am trying to find आदित्य of a particular ये आपका admission number. So I will try to find that. And these are all the names we are getting with Aditya. Similarly, add a filter. आप first name के साथ last name भी डालना चाहते हैं, डालिए. Last name भी match कराना चाहते हैं, and you get to the exact match. Say Burman. I apply it. So you will get Aditya Burman. Similarly, you can keep on exploring all the filters. यहाँ पे add filter में अगर हम डिपार्टमेंट करते हैं, यहाँ से हमें बेसिकली बच्चों के नाम of a particular class दिखते हैं. If I go to department, so these are the students of 9A. Okay, this is about filter. अगर आप clear करना चाहें, you can clear the filters. Now, when you get to see the students, what do we see? Email status, last sign in कब हुआ, email usage. एक particular student पे, let me click here. Focus करने पे क्या आ रहा है? Reset the password, rename the user, email user, suspend, delete or change organizational unit. Okay, so all these options are coming just by focusing or putting the cursor on a particular student. Here, so all these are coming. If I click on this student, what will happen? What is going to happen? So all these are coming, right? And from here, the phone number can be changed. Clicking here, I can change the phone number. Okay, here, click on this and you can change the phone number and update it. Okay, so if you click on the user, ये सारे options आएंगे change करने के लिए. तो आप phone number, email, department, all the things you can change from here by clicking on the student. वापस चलते हैं. Next, let us see that how do we add a new user. अब adding a new user में we have to keep one thing in mind कि user का एक particular format है. तो student में वो format क्या है? S, विद्यालय code, after that name, the first name of the student, after that the admission number, and at the rate the domain we have got, KVS RO Kolkata. Okay, so here if you see, you can see this S1263 and S code, name, and then you have admission number and the domain. Okay, now for teachers it is different. So if I go here and I go to suppose PGT and okay, here filter was already given, department 9A. I have to click on this. And what is that of a teacher here? So T, school code, first name dot last name and the domain name. Okay, so this is how we fix the user IDs of students and teachers. Okay, in this video I will be sharing till here only. We'll be continuing with the options, these options in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and of course a special thanks to my principal sir for allowing me to use the admin account. Thank you once again so much, all of you.